Hi there, Sarah from Glow Skin Body here. Today I'm going to take you through the Clear Start Moisturiser, the Oil Clearing Matte Moisturiser SPF 15. If you're a teenager, you really dislike the feeling of oil on your skin, I'm sure. The Oil Clearing Matte Moisturiser SPF 15 is a moisturiser that minimises oil and shine on your skin. It's ultralight, non-greasy and hydrating, so it helps to control the oil in areas like the forehead and the nose, and it leaves your skin with a matte finish. Plus, important for teenage skin is protecting yourself from the harmful UV rays. So it has an inbuilt SPF 15 for protection without clogging the pores or causing any more breakouts. So after cleansing your skin, you're going to apply to the face and the neck area, and be sure to reapply if you're having extended periods of time out in the sun. So to order your Oil Clearing Matte Moisturiser SPF 15, simply visit our website glowskinbody.com.au, and we'll see you again next time.